Good morning, friends. This is Miss Strum. I am here with your reading lesson again today, and we are continuing to work with cause and effect. So, something happened first that made something happen second. Today, we are going to read this story called Winter to Spring, and we're not going to do anything with it together because your assignment has you finding cause and effect. So, I will read you the story and then I will go and show you your assignment. Okay, winter to spring. The air is usually coldest in winter. The cold air can cause ponds to freeze. To stay warm, people wear jackets, hats, and gloves. In winter, some animals go underground or into caves to stay warm. Some birds fly to warmer places so they can find food. Soon we will have more sunlight and the days are longer. Because we have more sunlight, we have more heat. The warmer weather causes snow and ice to melt. We see the birds return because they can find plenty of food now. It's spring. And you can see in this little picture, we see a little mouse in a burrow. So he's in there staying warm for the winter. And in your assignment, you can see that I have the same picture. You just can't see the little mouse because it got covered up by my table here. So your job today is to find three, or actually four, 1, 2, 3, and it's hard to see here. 4 cause and effects in this story. And I started off for you. I highlighted this word to because that was my signal word telling me that something is happening because of something else. So as we were reading the story, I saw to stay warm, people wear jackets, hats, and gloves. So in the cause, I wrote wanting to stay warm because that was what is causing them to wear jackets, hats, and gloves. You possibly flip it around if you wanted to say they wear hats, jackets, and gloves to stay warm because that would be the effect of wearing them. But either way, in this case, they can be flip-flopped. I put it this way because it's how the author wrote it. I would encourage you when you're doing your assignment to highlight with your highlighting tool your signal words, just like we talked about Monday, a little bit yesterday. And here, I'm going to erase that. So your signal words are because, so, since, if, then, and as a result. So you will be finding 1, 2, 3, 4 more on your own. There are more than 5 in this story. So once you find 4, you can be done with this page. You are going to have 2 pages today as part of your assignment. The second page, you are filling out this answer sheet that goes along with the story. And I read it for you, so you should be able to do it on your own. If you, the story is also right here. And once again, I strongly encourage you to go and highlight your evidence. So friends in my class, we do this all the time. So your questions are: number 1, what causes us to freeze? So before you pick your answer, highlight it in the text because that's your evidence to make sure you are picking the right one. Once you fill out your cause and effect on this sheet and you've done your answers, I think there's just 4 questions. Yeah, 4 questions on this sheet. You can turn it in to